In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks string trimmer. This guide can be followed for 24-volt and 40-volt battery-operated and corded string trimmers. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it down, being careful not to damage the wire connecting the two sides. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage occurred during shipping. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product and confirmed it works properly. Assemble the shaft. Line up the two shafts. Align the button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until the button engages into the positioning hole. Tighten the screws on the coupler using the supplied Allen key. The Allen key can be found taped to the string trimmer guard. Attach the guard. Remove the two pre-installed screws from the guard. Slide the guard into the grooves on the trimmer head. Align the screw holes on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Reinstall the screws and tighten them using a Phillips head screwdriver. Attach the auxiliary handle. Loosen the knob on the auxiliary handle and remove the bolt. This is a metal bracket pre-installed on the shaft. Insert the open ends of the metal bracket with the opening on the handle mount and push the handle onto the shaft. Ensure that the holes in the bracket and the handle line up. To secure the auxiliary handle, reinsert the bolt and tighten the knob. Remove the tape from the cutting line and cut-off blade. Battery and charger. If your unit came with a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.